Hey, buddy. Did you get a good full belly? You got some bubbles coming out right there, don't you? I got a little more. Mama feeds you good, huh? Did you get a good full belly? Yeah. Yeah. It's my boy. Say hey. Hey. Yeah, buddy. It's my pumpkin. Mr. Smiley Pants. Say I like to smile all the time. Yeah. Did you get a good full belly? How's your belly feeling? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Okay, bye-bye.